We are truly grateful to be part of this event because we are able to show our craft with a good quality coffee that we have here in Muto Cafe.
I think Youth Fair 2026 is such a good opportunity for student leaders like me to engage with different non-government organizations or government organizations all around Cebu and from other regions in the Philippines.
Sa Cebu Provincial Capitol Compound, giablihan karong adlaw Agosto 26 ang Youth Fair 2026. Adunay mga games, food ug interactive activities. Bisitaha ang 30 ka youth-focused booths sa nagkalain-laing organisasyon nga nagpadayag sa ilang adbokasiya, programa ug oportunidad alang sa kabatan-onan.
Thank you sa Governor 𝗬𝗢𝗥 para sa sponsor sa kaning event.
Thank you very much to Governor 𝗬𝗢𝗥 for this wonderful opportunity to explore.
Yes, and we're also very grateful to GovPam for helping us make this event very successful and enhancing also the creativity of the youth.
Sa administrasyon ni People's Governor 𝗬𝗢𝗥, gipalig-on ang partisipasyon sa kabatan-onan alang sa kalambuan sa Sugbo. Apil sa kasadya sa Youth Fair 2026, adunay kahigayunan nga makadaog og exciting raffle prizes. Dad-a ang inyong mga higala, sugod karon hangtod sa pitsa 28 ning bulana.
So I encourage you everyone to join the Youth Fair 2026 to explore and to get this opportunity.
Manginlabot, magpakabana. Ako si 𝗬𝗢𝗕𝗓𝗧𝗛, ato ang Sugbo.